Good day everybody, welcome back. It's Susie here from Le'Rez Expressions. Of course you already know that. Well, you may not know that if you're new to my channel. So what I've got here is just a placemat. It is about 3 millimeters, 3.5 millimeters thick, and it's got a cork underneath it. I haven't taped this one because I've already got some resin ready here and I want to use it up, so I don't want to waste time. So what I want to do here is it's already got a design on it. It's nice smooth surface, so it's already some sort of plastic on top, you know, one of those things that they stick on top, but it's going to be fine. I've run out of boards, so I've got no boards. So I've got some clear resin. This, maybe it's going to be a little bit, I don't know, I'll try and stretch it. So I was thinking of using some of my rose gold just as a bit of an accent, and I'm going to use some midnight black, which I haven't used in a long time. So I'm going to use it for this one just to create some kind of a interesting effects here. And I've already got a cup that I've had Purple Rain in there. Not too bothered, I'm just going to use the same cup and pop some of this. Actually, get some, because most of it is going to be black. I'm just going to leave a tiny little bit because sometimes you need to. And then I'm going to grab some black, mix it in, and you won't even see that purple because the black will just take over. Okay, so I'm just going to scrape it off the side there and just give it a good mix. Mix it all in. I've just finished the painting that had Purple Rain in it, so that's why there's Purple Rain in here, but not anymore because it's just all black now. And I've got a little bit of my gold, and I've got a tiny little bit of this clear, which I might even have a little bit of white going through it. So I'm just going to pop in a little bit of angel white in there, and oops, just get some angel white off the lid. Clean it up. Oh, that's probably too much. Way too much. 10% is plenty. In there. And give that a mix. And like I said, I always have a little bit of clear ready for something extra that may need to be done. Alright, so that's plenty of white. Righto. So let's go. We are ready. Just going to get this black all around, and it's already thickening up because it's quite it's been quite some time now, probably about 45 minutes since I've started, so just going to give it, scrape up as much as I can out of here and just heat it up a little bit. And then, like I said, I'm going to be a little bit tight when it comes to how much resin I've got in here, but let's see. I'll leave the edges for now and just bring it into the middle like that. Okay, so that's not too bad, and now I can kind of spread it out a bit more. See? Can't see any purple. Got to find ways to save. You know, it's too much wastage when you're doing resin, so I try to recycle as much as possible. I even recycle my sticks, stirring sticks, because once they're covered in resin and they set up, they're fine to be used again. So I'm going to stand up for this one so I can see, because there's this is quite a shiny black. I'm not seeing what I'm doing. Okay. A little bit more over here. Clean my hands. Okay, now let's go in with some of this. Actually, let's heat it up first a bit. So that's great now. Now I'm going to go in with a bit of clear. I'm going to go in through the middle. Clear just helps the other colours move. I might just go there with that one, and maybe go that way a bit. Then I'm going to go in with the white. If I can see where I did it, it'd be great. Like that. And then I'm going to go in with some gold, just kind of crisscrossing around the white and a bit over it, and do the same over here. Now I'm going to go in with, okay, I'm going to leave it at the moment and just see what happens. I decided to use my hairdryer because I haven't used it for a while, and I just want to see what happens. So it's on hot and it's on low speed, which is pretty fast, but let's see. Might speed it up a bit now. Alrighty, I did some craziness right there. That looks really cool, because you get a lot of that air flying everywhere. That actually looks good even just like that. But I have got more of this resin left, so I've got to use it up a bit more. Let's see. Actually, I quite love this rose gold. It's just amazing. Oh, cells, there you go. Easy cells, absolutely gorgeous. Just going to go in a bit more with this rose gold, because I love it. This is a new Le'Rez metallic pigment, which is not up for sale just yet. I am just sampling these things for you guys so that you can see how they work, and then when they are ready you can grab them. You'll already know what they do, and you can just go for it. So what I've done there, I've got like a bit of a path happening there, so I'm just going to heat it up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more white over here, just like that. Ooh, that was totally done on purpose like that, I'm telling you. Okay, so now I want to do something here because I've got a lot of this white in there, and I want to use up most of my, all of it. I just mixed up too much. So I am going to blow this white over the edge. going to get a little bit of gold because I think this gold, which is a rose gold, and that white look really awesome together. Okay, and I'm going to blow it out outwards. First heat it up a little bit. The only thing is when you're using a hairdryer, everything flies everywhere around you. So wow, that's good. As that pulls back in, just going to tilt that way a bit because I want to get that white over the edge. Like that. Oops. Coming back, but that's okay. That is quite pretty. And lots of things happening. So I've got, and that's, oh my god, just gorgeous. Okay, let's turn around the other way. So I'm going to add some more white on this side as well now. It's going to be quite a bit. What's happening, baby? Okay. Let's just go with it. Got to use it up. I mean, you don't have to, but I want to because I've got lots of things to do today and I just want to get this done and then get on with what I have to do. And I forgot that I have the clear, which probably would have been a better idea if I put that on first, but never mind. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some of this clear in this rose gold. Okay, maybe try it this way. Okie dokie. Give it a bit of a stir. Now I've got plenty. And I might add some more here as well. I'm just going to go over here. Over that clear. A bit more here. Never too much gold. Okay. Let's go with it again. Just gonna have to go over it. Wow, that just looks crazy now. Crazy good though. Stuff happening here. So what I'm going to do is I can see some little cells there. I'm just going to go over it up and down with the hairdryer to open them up, and you probably won't be able to see that, but I'm sorry, I have to lots of great stuff happening here. I'm going to add some more of this just to kind of make this more uniformed. And sometimes it's nice just to do these lines, you know, and just leave it like that. It just adds a lot of character. And see that? Oh wow, that was so lucky. I could have got right in there. Holy dooey. Okay, so that there does not look too good to me. It's sort of separated and it's not looking great. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go straight through it with my gold and go out there. Actually, gonna go a little bit more here. Go that way. It's quite an interesting piece. What I'm gonna do here is just go a bit more that way. So I'm just looking, see that creates some really amazing things there. This also can be fixed. You just kind of pull it. It just gives it a little bit more shape and form and all that kind of interesting stuff. See, I've got a little drop of that gold here. I'm just going to pull that. And might just put one here and pull that way. Need some black to fix that. So as far as this painting goes, it's pretty much done. There is so much going on here. Absolutely. Let me just check. I always check every now and then to see if you're still up there. So I've got this is done. This just don't want to touch it anymore. You can go with it, but I am really slowly learning to leave things alone. Actually, and every time I say that, I'll go and do something. So I just want to fix that there. Okay, just going to go like this. That's all I'm going to do. See, bring it up and then bring it down. Anything that you're not happy with, you should be able to just get in there and fix it and make it look better. Just like this area here, I don't like it, so I'm just going to pull that over and just follow the line, just making some branches, like maybe you do some here like that. This area here is the best. Okay, it's just like amazing. Because I haven't used my hairdryer for a long time, it collected dust, and now I've got bits of dust everywhere, so I'm just trying to push them in. But that's okay. If they resurface, I'll just coat it again, because I really like this. Oh, okay. Gonna have to give it a name now, except that part there, which needs to be pulled over a bit. Okay, done and done. And I'm going to bring it down and show you so you can see for yourself what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Okay guys, here's a bit of a close-up so that you can see all the gorgeousness that this created. This was the black background with some of that rose gold. Keep going up with that. Lots of depth there and lots of stuff happening.